Okay, so I'm recording this as we speak. So this is a little video about how to create a package from InDesign and how to upload it to Blackboard. Okay, so I'm going to share with you, hopefully you see it now. Let me see. You see it? Okay, so this is a panel I made. I think it's the end of the video tutorial I created for you guys, and it has several images. Okay, so you can see the images under the link here, link button. You see there's action 1, action 2. So these are each of those drawings. When you select one of them, it's highlighted in blue. Okay. Afterwards, I'll talk about how to do something similar for those that did not work with InDesign. But nevertheless, this is important for you to take notes for future reference because you will be using InDesign most certainly in the future. Okay. How do I create a package? You go to File, and you actually click on Package right here. You're gonna say Package. It's gonna, I don't know if you see this page, but it's basically asking me to save the name of a folder, and I'm gonna call it Panel 3. I'm gonna say Package. I'm gonna place it, in my case, on the desktop. You can decide where to place the package. A package is a folder, basically. Here it goes, creates a bunch of things, starts thinking, and continues thinking about it. And then what it does basically is if we go, I don't know if this you can see, otherwise I stop the sharing and I continue recording, but I'm actually gonna go and share now this. Okay, is my Windows Explorer. I actually went here and I created this folder called Panel 3. As you can see right there, this is some stuff I have here with the brain. Panel 3 is the folder that is created from the packaging in InDesign of one single panel made in InDesign. If you have the 3 panels in the same InDesign file, you will be packaging the 3 panels all together. If not, you have to do the same thing, package the first panel, package the second panel, package the third panel. What do you get in the packaging? You get this. You get 4 files. One of them is the PDF, actually the one that you would probably upload. What else are you going to be getting out of that folder? You're going to get these 2 InDesign files. One of them is the InDesign file, the one you will be opening, or I will be opening if I need to check on your file, which is the InDesign document. The other one is just an InDesign markup document. This is basically a file that allows you to open in InDesign your project if I'm using a newer version, sorry, an older version of InDesign, and the file, it's a newer version. So you can disregard that if you're just, you know, working with the same version of InDesign. And then most important, again, is the folder called links inside of our package. It contains every single element, let's call it drawing document, that we introduced in the InDesign panel. And to be clear, I need all of it. I need the PDF, I need the InDesign, I need the markup, and obviously I need the PDF, sorry, the folder with all of the links. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording there and you will have that video. By the way, it's not done. So if we go back to that same folder, there's another tricky part. How do I actually upload this to Blackboard? If you try to upload this to Blackboard, you're going to say drag this folder, it's going to open the folder. You're not going to be able to place the whole thing. You can go one by one and upload in each of the files. It's kind of dummy, especially if you have in the links, you have like 10 or 15 images. You're going to go one by one, killing yourself. So the way I normally do this, and you can try that, is to right-click the folder and compress the folder. Okay, there are many ways of compressing this, and I don't know, there's one, it's called 7-zip, but you might have another one is compress the folder with WinRAR, but it's a compressing technique that is included in Windows, okay? And you can say compress an email, add to this, compress to whatever. So if you say add to archive and you say okay, it creates this file. Okay, this you can upload with one single click. And it's a compressed folder. There are many other ways of compressing. Again, it's just right click and search for the compressed folder, and you will be able to compress it in many ways, okay? Normally it's under 7-zip or WinRAR, or however you think is best. Then you can say compress it right here. That compressed folder you can upload directly to Blackboard, okay? I'm gonna stop there.